Free lead generation in real estate. Sounds pretty damn good, doesn't it? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step exact strategy that I've used in order to generate free leads on Instagram. And it's not what I typically talk about, which is people gravitating towards my personal brand, my stories, things like that, where they naturally see my content, message me because they like what I'm doing, and then become a lead. What I'm going to show you is a tactical thing that you can do right now in order to start generating leads in your local farm areas using Instagram. So let's head on into it, learn how to generate some free leads, and help scale your real estate business. What's up, everyone? My name is Mike Sherrard. Thank you so much for tuning in as always. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you love learning tips, tricks, and strategies, as well as some secrets on how to scale your real estate business, please make sure you subscribe and lightly tap that notification bell for me. Now, in this video, I'm sharing something that I've never actually talked about, but it's something that I used to do very frequently in order to generate leads in my own farm area and specific communities that I wanted to have a strong presence in. So I'm gonna show you a screen recording of my own cell phone on my own Instagram channel, and I'm gonna show you step by step exactly what you can do in order to generate these free leads as well. There's no other videos on YouTube showing you how to do this. So I'm incredibly excited to share this with you, and I hope that you start implementing this into your strategy because it's really cool and not a lot of people are doing it. So it's gonna be unique, it's gonna make you stand out, and the connections you're gonna build are actually very authentic. So let's jump on into my phone and I'm gonna show you exactly what I like to do. All right, guys, so you can see here, I've got my Instagram pulled up. This is my profile today on November 9th, 2019. You've probably seen this before. If not, please make sure you go follow me. But what I want to do is show you this exact strategy. So I'm going to use a community in my own city for an example and show you exactly what you can do. It's incredibly simple, but again, it's going to really help you stand out, and it's going to be something that nobody else is doing, but does provide really cool results. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the search section. And we're going to come up here and go to search, and we're going to type in a community name that is of interest to you. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use one in my neighborhood that I've done business in before called Auburn Bay. Auburn Bay. All right, so you can see a couple different things. We've got the hashtag for Auburn Bay, and we've got places for Auburn Bay, Calgary. So I'm going to show you an example of both, but first what we're going to do is we're going to go to the actual places over here. So let's look at Auburn Bay, Calgary, which is a community in Calgary with a pretty good price point as well as high turnover. So we're going to click on that. Now look here, you can see the top posts as well as the most recent posts. So what I like to do is I like to go through and I like to find, photos like this with families in it. I love to find photos of people with kids, photos of people with their own property in their own house, and I like to scroll through similar to this and find photos of people that are actually in that community, the residents in that community. And what I would do is I would simply just go to their profile. Look at this young family here. My crew love them so much. I would come down here and I would write some sort of caption about, love the family photo. Hope you're enjoying the lifestyle in Auburn Bay. Something like that, okay? Now, what does that do? By doing something like that, you're engaging with people that are homeowners in the farm area that you want to be working in. But you're not saying, hey, do you want to go buy or sell a house? You're just providing an interesting comment on a photo that are in your area. And by doing that, oftentimes people are going to start looking at who exactly you are. And I know a lot of real estate agents have realtor in their Instagram handle, so they're going to know exactly who you are just simply by you going ahead and writing a comment. Now, in a second, I'm going to show you how to leverage that properly. But what I want to do is I want to come back, show you can do the same thing in using the hashtag. Auburn Bay, you can still see here. There's a lot of other people. You can see, families. You can see people going to local restaurants in the area. All people that are engaging with that community. So all you want to do is you want to go to the hashtag and the place for your area. And I do this for multiple communities. And you simply want to just write thought-provoking captions on people that look like they could be homeowners, like this with the family and the kids. Okay? Now, what can you do in order to leverage that properly? Let's jump back on video and I'm going to talk to you about that. All right, guys. So now once we've taken the time to go through and look at some of the photos of people using the hashtag and the place of different communities that we want to specialize in or farm, what you need to do is think about it logically. What would you want to do if somebody reached out to you? You don't want to be solicited. You don't want to be sold. So after writing some sort of comment that actually relates to the post, and what you're going to see is there's actually a world of opportunity to do this on different holidays because everybody's posting photos with their families and loved ones. So I love to do this at Thanksgiving, Easter, Christmas, things like that, Canada Day, Independence Day, any day that relates to a lot of people getting together in their community. Now, after you've written a thought-provoking caption or comment, what you want to do is you want to direct message that person. So you want to direct message them and simply just say something like, hey, notice you're living in Auburn Bay. I do a ton of work in that area. Just wanted to see how you're enjoying living here. Anything like that just is genuine and authentic to you engaging with that person. Or sometimes if they're a local business owner and they're posting about their business in Auburn Bay, I love to, just say, hey, absolutely love what you're doing. Your business is fantastic. I love going to your restaurant or coffee shop. I'd love to grab a coffee with you sometime and just catch up and see what you've got coming in the future days. Right? Or if somebody is at a coffee shop, I'd say, hey, that's one of my favorite coffee shops as well. How do you like it compared to some of the others in the community? Maybe sometime we can grab a coffee there and just chat about what you were doing in the city and just genuinely take interest in each and every individual that is posting in that area. I've got a ton of coffees, a ton of appointments, just simply by engaging with people that are in that community, writing something that I actually care about and that they care about more importantly. And in turn, you're going to show interest in them. And usually the law of reciprocity, they're going to check you out and show interest in you. So this is a great lead generation tactic where you can start building true, authentic connections with homeowners and people either renting or living in the communities that you want to be active in. So simply just by doing that for multiple communities, there's about 5 communities that I love to do this in. And you can do this on a frequent basis, usually every couple days, so that there's at least enough new photos that you're not overlapping yourself. But again, it helps you create true, authentic connections with people in the area that you want to do business in. And oftentimes, if you're the one following them and commenting on all their photos, even if they don't reach out to you the first time or respond to you the first time, if you do it consistently enough and start to follow people in those areas, over time, they will take interest in what you're doing because you're going to be the only agent that's actually doing this. So if you have any questions about this technique, and I truly do hope that you implemented this into your business, please drop a comment below. I love when you guys engage with my content. It really means the world to me. So otherwise, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.